Welcome back. If you've just created your Pipedrive account and aren't sure what to do next, this guide will walk you through the basic CRM setup process. By the end, you'll have your workspace ready to manage leads, contacts, and deals efficiently. First, sign in to your Pipedrive account and open the settings area. This is where you'll configure your CRM preferences and workspace options. Next, review your company details. Add your business name, preferred currency, time zone, and any other basic information requested by Pipedrive. Now it's time to build your sales pipeline. Create stages that match your sales process, such as new lead, contacted, proposal sent, and closed deal. Once your pipeline is ready, start adding contacts and organizations. These records help you keep track of prospects, customers, and business relationships. You can also customize fields to capture information that's important for your business. Add custom data fields, activity types, or labels to better organize your CRM. If you're working with a team, invite your colleagues to join the workspace. This allows everyone to collaborate, update deals, and track customer interactions in one place. And that's how to set up Pipedrive CRM. So once these basics are in place, you'll be ready to manage your sales process more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.